Here we have a really awesome ahi recipe. Very easy to do at home. And we have an orange marmalade chutney that's going to be presented with the ahi. Started out by sauteing some jalapeños, some red peppers, and some red onions in a little bit of olive oil. And then I added a little bit of cumin, a little bit of curry, and a little bit of cayenne. Just gotta be a little careful with the cayenne because there's already gonna be a bite in this with the jalapeños. And that's gonna saute for about 1 to 2 minutes because you still want your vegetables to be crunchy. And as soon as you get to that 1 or 2 minute mark, you're gonna add your orange marmalade. Then you turn your stovetop off and mix it until it's all incorporated. And then you have your chutney. And then we go on to the ahi. So we have a #1 grade ahi tuna. So I put together a blackened seasoning, which has paprika, chili powder, a little bit of cayenne, and then some onion powder and some garlic. First thing I did with the tuna though, bringing it out of the bag, is I had a couple napkins and I put it on a napkin to dry the tuna. So you want to dry your tuna because you want to be able to have the spices stick to it. And then you take the ahi and you coat it with the blackened seasoning. And then I have the pan going with a little bit of olive oil. As soon as that olive oil gets just before the smoking point, just to start to get really hot, I'm going to add the tuna to it. If you got an inch cut of tuna, maybe like a minute on each side, and then just do a quick sear. And as soon as the minute is done on each side, pull it out of the pan right away so it doesn't continue to cook. And once you got that finished, slice your ahi nice and thin and present it on a board. Voila, it's awesome.